In this video, we'll be talking about DXF import through the CAM button. This video is part 4 of the series, after we've discussed the project import and shapes buttons, as well as positioning and leads. Here, we will be talking about sequencing. Let us open a file, for instance, the same file that we were using previously, with lettering and signs. And here, we'll be going over the sequencing, or the order in which these parts or these shapes are cut. In order to simplify it a little bit, let me remove some of the letters here, so it's easier to see what we're trying to achieve. So now we have these three letters, A, B, and C. Upon pressing the sequencing button, we can see the order in which these letters will be cut. So for instance, we'll start at 1, go to 2, then go to point 3, point 4, point 5, and point 6. This is calculated automatically. However, in case of this example, perhaps we'd like to edit the process in order to not make the system go all the way to letter C first, and instead go A, B, C. So how do we do this? Well, we can see that point 3 is the point we'd like to change. Let's say we'd like to change point 3 to this contour over here. So this will be the third cutting point, or the third point in the sequence. Navigate to our sequence options order, number 3, which will be highlighted, and then press on the contour you'd like to assign this point in the sequence to. So let's press on this contour right here, which is highlighted in red. Now we can see that point 3 will be this lower section of letter B. However, point 4 is still on letter C, so let us assign point 4 to this second upper contour in the letter B. Point 5 will assign to our outer contour on letter B, and then point 6 will automatically jump to letter C, as that is the only contour that is left for us to cut. So now we have the cutting sequence of A, B, C, as we would like it. After we're done editing this sequence, we can press the confirm button to import this file into OptimumCNC. And here, if we simply follow the sequence, we'll see that our machine will move from some point up there to letter A, B, and C, just as we defined it within the CAM editor. Thank you for watching.